Check this out, it's Make Your Own Pizza Night today and tonight on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. You are gonna love this episode. You and I and all of our friends are gonna make individual pizza. We're throwing a pizza party. The idea is fantastic and it always works. Everybody loves this party idea. Before I launch into it, how about a suggestion? Head to weekendatthecottage.com, our dedicated website. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. You're probably watching this video right now on our dedicated YouTube channel, and if you are, why not subscribe to it as well? Last thing, share pics of your very own pizza party using hashtag weekendatthecottage on all of your photos when you post them on your favorite socials, like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. As I already mentioned, this is such a great and fun idea for a get-together. Best thing about it, you get to chill out, your guests do all the work, and you get to take all the credit. I think that's a pretty good deal. A couple things before I walk through the 4 different pizzas I created for you. You're gonna need a 6.5 ounce ball of raw pizza dough. Your choice, you can do gluten-free, whole wheat, regular, whatever you wish. When placing the pizza dough down onto the plate, just rub a little bit of olive oil down on the plate first, stretch out your dough, and then you're good to go. When you go to set up your Make Your Own Pizza station, you can put the ingredients out on the table and just let people assemble as they wish. But I like to kind of give people a suggestion on what to do. So I'm taking colored bowls and I'm gonna fill them with different ingredients for 4 classic pizzas. I'm gonna set up the station and then we're gonna start by making pizza number 1. Pizza number 1, a classic vegetarian in the green bowls. The pizza starts off with a generous helping of a very rich tomato sauce. Next, an assortment of favorite vegetables, sliced tomatoes, green peppers, sliced white onions, some sliced mushrooms, and then right at the end, how about some mozzarella cheese all the way across the top? Wait till you see this pizza come out of the oven. Pizza number 2, one of my favorites. In the yellow bowls, we're doing a Hawaiian pizza. We start by adding a generous amount of tomato sauce onto the dough, a handful of cooked cubed ham, fresh chopped pineapple, the bigger the chunks the better, and then a generous helping of mozzarella cheese. This Hawaiian pizza is outstanding. Our third type of pizza is one of my favorites. It's called a Quattro Stagioni, which translates to the 4 seasons. And we visually divide the pizza into 4 quadrants, one representing each season. In the first quadrant, I'm adding a little bit of prosciutto to represent the winter months. Second quadrant, black olives for summer. Third quadrant, some sliced portobello mushrooms. They're representing autumn. And in the last quadrant, a little bit of spring, some sliced artichoke. Our cheese for this pizza is some freshly grated Parmesan. It is fantastic. Our 4th and final pizza, another vegetarian option, is a bianca, which means white. There's no tomato sauce in sight. Instead, we take our pizza dough and we start off with a generous helping of mozzarella. Next, we're doing some sliced Bartlett pears. We're gonna add some crumbled gorgonzola cheese. Sprinkle on some chopped nuts, and then we're taking some honey and we're gonna drizzle honey across the top. Our 4 pizzas are ready to go in the oven. The trick to cooking a pizza, whether you're doing it in the oven or doing it on the grill, is to have it at a very high temperature, 450 degrees. When your oven or grill is at temperature, all the pizzas go in. We're gonna bake them off. We're somewhere between 12 to 15 minutes. The underside will be nice and golden, the top all of the cheese will be melted, your dough will have come up a little bit. When you take them out of the oven, let's do a quick rewind on these fabulous pizzas. Our vegetarian is looking so fantastic. I'm ready to do a little dance on a far-off island with this Hawaiian pizza. The Four Seasons Quattro Stagioni complete with a little garnish of fresh basil on top. And then finally, our pizza bianca. How beautiful and gorgeous is this? I just gave you 4 delicious recipes for your make your own pizza party. I know you're gonna love each and every one. Wait until you try this one. And after that, you know the drill. Come on back. Always something delicious happening right here in the Weekend at the Cottage kitchen. Pizza. Perfect. Good.